Here we go. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO Jonathan Cordova coming to you from home base. This is what we're trying to do. We're trying to raise funds to get the J. Marie home before Railroad Days this year. As you can see, we have a picture of the car, the one I saw in Arizona. We have our goal fundraiser here. We have our QR code, and here's a little preview of what we do for what is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation and what we do. And sorry there's no audio, so it's kind of like a slideshow. We go join it. We're at events. We do Amtrak trips. We do we're out at the 29-26 events when they're backing out. For Tractor, we're all out there. We have a booth. We'll be there a lot. This is all the events we do. We're out rail fanning, watching Amtrak. We ride Amtrak. We do a lot of fun things. We do trips. We go to LA. We plan to do a West Coast tour eventually once we get the J. Marie home and some other cars. So be ready for that. We might have some Railrunner cars coming with us, so keep a watch for that. This is from where we go out on events, on locations. We go take a look at sightseeing. Silver Iris, San Bernardino. I don't think it's San Bernardino. There's Gallup. Railrunner going out. Amtrak getting filled up, because we'll be hooked up behind Amtrak when we come back with the J. Marie. And hopefully some other cars, and that's what it looks like from inside the cars. If you haven't rode Amtrak, there's 29-26 before she was finished. There we go down on Railrunner down to Berlin. We go there. We go to Santa Fe. We go all over the place. So if you want to join us, come and join us. We're always welcoming new people to come join us for events. We'll be in Santa Fe this September from the 9th to the 12th, leaving the 13th. So if you want to join us, you got to be at your own room booked now, so that way you can join us for September. Because if you don't have your room booked and you join us, it'll be up to you to get home if you come ride the train with us on Sky Railways. If you want to book your ticket for the ACMA, book it now, because I think it gets filled up real quickly. So let's do it, guys. There we go. A lot more 29-26 stuff. Railrunner in Santa Fe, like I said. We go out and get pictures of that. We do all over, events all over. So we used to have meet and greets down at the Lomas Burger King. We don't do that anymore. It's always now up at Santa Fe. There's when I was moving on board the Iris, when we were moving it, Sky Railways is what we use. I'll be on in September again. Railrunner cars that you see that we might have behind 29-26. So hopefully that inspires you guys to donate to the GoFundMe. Just make sure to scan the QR code right here. That way we can raise the funds quickly and get to where we need to be, so we can buy the car and bring her home before Railroad Days. We need your help, guys. If you see, look at where we're at on the funds. If we can do it, reach the goal by end of July, beginning of August, I can get the car here quickly and get it ready to go. So let's raise the funds, guys. Come on. I know you guys are interested in seeing rail cars behind 29-26. And to answer people's question, are we affiliated with them? We're partners, but we're not a division of 29-26. We're partners. So we're in charge of getting our own set of cars that will help to go behind 29-26 events. Once we do other events with them, like for Railroad Days, we'll have some cars behind it. Is our plan. We'll have a booth. We'll have stuff at the booth where you can for donations. If you donate now to the GoFundMe, you'll get your shirt, either with the Redwood Empire in the back or the J. Marie. So make sure to donate and get your name on the list so that way you can get your shirt at Railroad Days at our booth. We'll have it there. Just gotta donate and message me on either Facebook or Instagram the shirt size you need, and we'll order that shirt in that size you need, and I'll put the shirts together for either. And if you guys want either the J. Marie or Redwood, you gotta let me know which one, because in that way I can put it in the box for the donors to have their own donation box, and then the rest of the merch, other stuff, we'll have up for sale or for donation. So let's do it, guys. Let's reach the goal, because we need $10,000 to get the Amtrak certified and the COTS trucks up to date, and then an additional $200,000 to buy the car, and then we got to figure out for Amtrak and UP. So we got to move those, because we're doing a full run from Arizona to California, and then from California back here. So it's going to be a long, probably 2 days worth of trips coming back. So we'll be here. If you guys want to watch us come in from Los Lunas, just advise, stay back from the crossings 25 feet, please. That means on the railroad stations also, follow the rules, or else you will not be able to ride in the cars. So make sure to donate today. Scan the QR code on your phone and donate. Every $5 donation you do will get you the shirt. And yes, we have some spikes. We're real limited. I think we're down to 5. We only have 5 spikes, I think. So once those 5 are gone, they're gone. We're not going to get any more. So let's raise the funds. $5 donation to the GoFundMe per person will get you a shirt and the spike. And if I run out, I'm out. So if you're not the first 5 to get it, or 4, then you'll get the shirt, but you won't get the spikes because I'll be out. So make sure to donate today. Let's do it, guys. Thank you for listening. And also, just to give you guys a head up, if you are on the Santa Fe 2926 group, the one that I have my email on there and phone number. Do not call me on that cell number, please. I will not answer. It's only for work, so do not call me. You can email me on that email. I do check my emails, so message me there. So make sure to help spread awareness. Let's get the funds raised. We're a nonprofit. We rely on donations, so let's keep this going.